What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I actually just wanted to play with makeup and create a nice summer like pop of color look. I did play with makeup yesterday and I created this look, which I'm gonna leave right here on the screen for you guys. It was a nice pop of like a yellow, really bright yellow color with a dramatic black wing. I actually fell in love with how everything came out and looked, so I kind of want to do that in today's video, but obviously choose a different color. I'm leaning towards two colors. I have a blue and a lime green, but we'll get into that. That's what I have for you today. And of course the full face is a full drugstore. I wanted to keep this affordable. The only thing that's a little pricey would be the palette that I'm using, which is the ColourPop Fade into Hue. This was $24. I don't know how much it is right now, but you know, ColourPop is still kind of affordable type thing. So that's what I have for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do upload videos every single week. But yeah, with that being said guys, let's just get right into this pop of color. As you can see, I started off with my eyebrows done to save some time. I actually went in with my old favorite, which is my Stay Put Brow from Milani. I'm literally almost done with it. As you can see, I kind of already hit pan. This one is a little bit more waxy. I used to live for this one, but I've been really loving the e.l.f. But I was like, let me just change it up. So again, I am using the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette. This is an amazing, beautiful palette. I love it because not only you get an array of different colors, literally the entire rainbow. This comes with so many different formulas, and that's why I actually really like this palette. So let me prime my lids really quick, and I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place primer. I love this baby, especially when I'm playing with color because it makes everything pop. So I'm gonna prime my lids with this, and then we'll get ready with the eyeshadow. Alright, so as you can see, eyes is primed. Getting into the palette, so like I said, I'm debating whether these colors. So the first one is this blue one right here, which is a watermark, or this lime green one right there. So I don't know, I really want to do. This blue is just so beautiful, but this green is so amazing too. As you can see, they're like really, really pretty, but this blue is just calling my name. I might just do blue on top, smoke it out, whatever, and then the lime green kind of in the middle, or even on the bottom lashes. Let's do that. Let's just go with it. You know what I'm saying? Let's just go with it. So I'm gonna take my brush and just, ooh, you see that? Really just stamp it in. Then I'm gonna just start stamping this. Oh my god, you see what I wanted to do, blue? Ooh. As you can see, this blue is already pamping. So again, I'm just taking the blue and just stamping it like literally on my lid first. And then I'm gonna map the shape that I want, which I'm kind of going in for like a circular shape, not that wing out. And then I'll go in with a lighter shade and buff the hard edges. So now I'm gonna take it a little bit higher. And again, I love these sequence shades because they have glitter moment, and I freaking love that. So this looks pretty good so far. So now I'm gonna take this fluffy brush from Morphe and go into the baby blue color, but it's this one right here. I just wanna go over everything lightly, buff everything out. So that's really the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my left eye, and then I'm gonna just do the same thing, and then we'll be moving on to the rest. Be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my magnifying tape, of course, because if you could do your wing like without anything to like, obviously like an outline or anything to help you, you are a freak of nature, for real. Because yeah, I don't know, I can't do that. Maybe if I didn't have hooded eyes, but I don't know, I can't, child, I can't do that. So, okay, so for liquid liner, guys, that's the only thing that's actually not drugstore. I haven't found a good drugstore liner, so if you do have one, let me know, because this one right here is pricey, but I love it. This one is the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Liner. This is it right here. So line the fine tapes on. You don't understand how nervous I am to do this wing again. Like, the difficulty with me and the wings that have really, really hooded eyes, you can see, like really hooded. So I have to like kind of create a bat wing so it could look like my wing goes straight out, but when you look, you can see that it's a bat wing. Let's start this, and like I said, guys, just pray for me. Please, pray for me. So really quick, so you see how I did that, right? So when it closes, you can see that the wing, you can still see the wing. So now from here, I kind of have to mimic and bring it down like that. See that? It's like a bat wing, but when I just look forward, you could just see the wing completely. So that is basically how I kind of do my wing. Alright guys, so these are the wings. Are they perfect? Probably not. I'm looking at myself in the monitor. Probably not, but yeah, I think these are the best wings that I can create. Like I said, this is expensive, it is, but it is an amazing pen. Let's just get into the face and remove these eye tapes, and yeah, let's go. So for mascara, I have today the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This one I haven't used in a really long time actually, so I'm excited to use this again. So for lashes, I'm gonna go in with the Kiss Lash Couture Matte Black Collection. These are in the style Matte Sheer. These are one of my favorite styles, and they go so well with this type of like liner eye look. So I'm gonna pop these babies on, and then we'll move on to the face. Let's go. All right, so lashes are on. So let's get into the face. So for primer, I'm gonna switch it up. You know, I usually go in with my Jelly Pop Elf or the Mint Melt, but I haven't tried this baby in a very long time. This is the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. This is supposed to be like a direct dupe for the Hydro Grip or any grip type of primer. So this one smells just like the Hydro Grip. So I'm just gonna rub it. One step that I've been doing in my makeup routine is actually putting some primer, like eye primer, on my nose. And the reason is because I don't know what's up with this big old bell pepper nose, but makeup doesn't really last on my nose ever. So I just literally just dot it just like that on my nose. And then I take my ring finger and literally just distribute the product all over. Guys, this works. Like, this is not no fake thing. It literally works wonders. So I don't miss this step now, because literally sometimes I have makeup, full glam, and then my nose is all looking like not cute. So of course I'm gonna go in with my Supercharged Milani Brightening Under Eye Tint. I am in the shade 120 Peach. Then I'm gonna blend it with my little Milani sponge. Oh, I love these babies. So I'm gonna take this and just blend it out. So foundation, guys, I'm gonna go again with one of my babies. This is the Superstay Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. I am in the shade 120 Ivory. I adore this foundation. I'm using it up just because one, I love it, and two, I don't have that much in here, so which is so satisfying, but might as well just use it up, right? Alright, so foundation is done applying. Like I said, I love this foundation. It's one of my favorites. So for concealer, I'm switching it up again today, guys. I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Long Wear Concealer. I am in the shade 125 Light Natural. This is such an amazing full coverage concealer. I love Milani. It's one of my favorite drugstore brands. But I'm just gonna conceal like I normally would. Look at that. This looks so flawless on the skin, like one of the best ever. Okay, so to set everything, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I am in the shade Light 15. Before I set the face, I want to use this cream blush. This one is from e.l.f. This is their putty blush, and this one is in the shade Bora Bora, which is this nice pinky shade. And I'm just gonna go in here and really put some product. Of course, I'm gonna just place this. right on my cheeks. Ooh, so pink. So moving on to bronzer, guys. So wow, when I tell you I haven't used this bronzer since I think my first YouTube video, that's when I purchased this bronzer. This is the LA Color bronzer in the shade Beach Babe. This used to be one of my favorite bronzers when I first started, you know, doing my videos and actually playing with makeup. I'm gonna obviously take my 227 brush from Real Techniques, really go in here. Alright, so face is all bronzy up. I love this bronzer, I'm telling you, it's so good. For $3, can't nobody tell me nothing about this bronzer. So for blush, guys, I think I want to use this baby again. This is the Essence The Blush in the shade Beloved. For $2 or $1.99 or $2, this is so good, so really good. So I'm gonna go in with my stipple brush, which is the way that I like applying my blush. Just gonna lightly blush. Ooh. Oh my god, there's just something about blush. I don't know, there's literally something about blush that just does it for me. Guys, I've been trying to get like a peachy powder, like a powder blush, but like in a peach type of shade. If you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments below, because I mean, I love me some pink blush, but I also love a peach. Is one of my favorite blush colors, is the peach, like a burnt peach type thing, like terracotta, I guess that's what they call it. So definitely let me know, please, because I love it. So let's finish off the bottom lashes. I still don't know what I want to do. Should I do like a blue on the bottom and then do the lime green in the inner corner? I think that's what I want to do. So I'm gonna grab this flat elf brush and we're gonna go into the blue again. So now I'm gonna take this Eddie Funkhauser round blending brush for the bottom lashes, and I'm gonna go into the baby blue right here, and that's what I'm gonna smoke out the bottom lashes with. I wish this had a mirror, I swear to God. It would have been so much better. But so let's take this and run it under here just to smoke that out just a little bit. So I'm gonna go into the designer, which is that nice green, lime green thing, as you can see. I'm gonna go in here, right? I'm gonna top off as much as I can. Tap off, right? And then lightly go in here. Ooh, yes, guys, that looks so pretty. Alright, so for eyeliners, I have the Juvia's Place eyeliner. This one is in the shade Royal, which is a nice, literally a royal blue. So for highlighter, guys, I've been looking through my collection and I kind of want to be a little bit extra today. And I have this Milani O2 Holographic Beam highlighter palette, and there's a pink, a blue, and this gold. And I want to go in with the blue, which is Make Believe. That middle shade right there. That's what I want to use. So I'm going to go in with my highlighting brush and really go in here and just highlight it and be on some little on some extra little blue. See that? Like I said, I don't do that much highlighter, but because it's Pride Month and I'm being a little extra, that's what I'm doing. So for lips, I'm going with a neutral top of lip, of course. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Easy Liner Most Natural. I have this L'Oreal lipstick in the shade Ferris Nude. And then for lip gloss, I'm just gonna top it off with the Shine 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 from Essence. It looks like this because this is what I use with all my neutral lips. So that is the combination I'm going to go with today. So let's go. So as you can see, lips are on. I love this combination. It's so pretty. So now to finish it, let's go in. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm gonna cover my eyes just because there's no shimmer and I don't want it to mess it up. Guys, so this is the end of the video. This is what I decided to create today for you guys. So again, this was super cool. This is so dope. Just like I said, a little pop of color for the summer. blue highlighter. Why not just make it fun? And a lime green in the corner. Girl, when I tell you, this is so dope. I love it. As you can see, you don't have to spend so much money to be able to create something so amazing and so beautiful and so pretty. This was so easy. So I'm literally, I've been off for like 2-3 days and I've been non-stop playing with makeup and creating all these looks. I have so many videos that I've pre-recorded for you guys, so definitely get ready because videos are coming. Again, I just want to thank you guys for coming back, hanging out with your boy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell on so you will never miss an upload. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave it right here on the screen for you guys. It's Makeup with Chris. I do create content there and I post. Sometimes I do not film, so I post some nice little videos there. So again guys, with that being said, thank you so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye guys.